Hey, do you know that this AI website will help you increase your IQ? Subscribe. If you want to know the name of this AI, believe me, it will blow your mind. This AI website is notebooklm. You can search it on your Google search bar. The very first website you see is its official website. When you click on it, per way, you have to click on New Project. Then you can tell him any topic that you want it to research on. It will look up to hundreds of articles, headlines, website to gather up the information. Then, when it finishes his research, you can import the researches, and now you have access to hundreds of reports. And now, whatever you will ask Notebook LM about your topic, it will give you crisp and clear answer, and it will be 100% true. Not only that, you can make presentations, table data, mind maps, and it don't stops here. You can make a live podcast about that topic in few minutes. If you are a student, then you can enjoy its features the most because it has one feature to make quiz on the topic. If you think you know everything about the topic, you can have a quick quiz to check your knowledge. Follow for more interesting websites.